What's up, YouTube fam? I'm back. You already know what time it is. You see the car behind me. I just got back. I think it's like 7:45 in the morning. What we about to do is this car getting raw supercharged. I haven't told y'all much about that. I went to Mustang. I bought some injectors. There was 48 millimeter and they was a little short and I needed 60. So I had to buy some injector spacers. So I just got them in from Vmp. I ordered them like Wednesday, Thursday. They here today, it's Saturday. What I'm finna do is I'm finna get the camera off me. It's gonna be more on the car and I'm just gonna be talking and going and talking and going, talking and showing, you know what I'm saying? So as you can see, I got the raw supercharged. I think it's a 2.3. It's pretty heavy. If anybody know anybody selling the hood props, I can get rid of this for true fiber cowl hood. I don't think they sell them. I don't know. But what I'm about to do is I'm finna take this off. It's not even bolted down, and get this fuel rail, and we go put these spacers on. Let's see if I can. So these is what it look like. I plan to upgrade all this. The Vmp fuel rails 1,000 to 1,100 injectors, 1050s, whatever. Right now I'm running 55 pounds. Since it's just gonna be a starter thing. And I think I just dropped the spacer. Not gonna waste too much time trying to look for something that won't hide. So I'm thinking it just slides on.
Let's make it happen, girl. I need some time. Speaking of time, who's stopping? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed in the crib and the liquor too.
That's how it goes. Don't go on too far.
I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils. Here you go, you trying to tease with them pictures. You could ride on me just like you ride
Put the O-ring on.
She said I'm trying to keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, I like your last nigga. All I need is middle.
And shout out to Vmp, man. I know they get busy. I know they're a busy company, but every time I order something, it coming within the next few days. I'm talking about quick, like no hassle. I haven't had to text them and be like, hey man, what's up with my order? I ordered the feed kit from that, came in 2-3 days, and I was thinking maybe they just have placement reports on order all the time. But anything I've ordered, man, it came quick. I appreciate them for that. Even though I can't drive the car right now, I could wait, but it's crazy. Everything come quick with them. Closer up view, that's how it look. Just a spacer, it ain't nothing major. I hope it works.
I know you feel me, yeah. Whoa.
So if you're doing this, just make sure you put it on straight, you know what I mean?
So much to live for, baby. Let's not rush into it now. Let's not rush into it. When we get to it, we can give it all that we got.
And these spacers are made from a good material. I think they metal or steel, so that should hold up to whatever's about to go on. I'm glad it didn't get hidden. I usually drop stuff out here, man. And it's crazy how grass will disguise something. You'll drop something in the grass, it'll be right in front of you. You look around, it's gone. You be like, God.
See it, pop up, I thought so much. Got this bitch off the collar, she suck it and swallow. I stick it and she feel it. nice watches now. The top shelf, got 40 designer belts. OPF, look like the new Vmp. They gon' jump, got clothes in my right or left. And you drink like the guy ain't no key in there. Just pull up, spin they block and get out of there. They gon' have a hard time finding what to wear. Treat the hoe like a tire, I keep a spell. When it's stuck because I'm worried. Check the tracks, I'm counting more fake. Sky scrolling, we in a prison. 150 flying, bitch, you mellow. I'ma put the game into its empty. Because I spit the flavor to the temp. I am not a killer, but don't tell me. I'm spending rate 5,000 to a tip. Oh, you know, I fuck with slides and I'm gonna bust. He can't put on that drip, he ain't one of us. How you riding the Benz in a Tonka truck? How you got everybody lit piping up? Oh, she bad with no swag,
As always, man, double check your work, you know?
I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over, tasted and call me. Still got love for you, mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurt, yes, I'm hurt. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase.
Then I gotta take the timing cover off, so that's gonna be another video. That one's gonna be kind of lengthy. All the way. And the best part about all this is, I got this for $1,000. I got the lower manifold for $1,000. My buddy bought this. We traded. I traded him a pair of sneakers, so I basically got that for free. I may have $2,000 in the whole kit, and I'm pretty much done. Spin them a little bit. That's enough. That pretty much wraps up this video. I talked to y'all. I told y'all what's going on. You see I got the raw stuff installed. I'll be back next week dropping video after video after video after video. And we're gonna get this car on the road. We got a lot of stuff on the way. Then we got the new edge back here sitting on tree stumps. We got a lot of stuff on the way and I'm out, man. Catch me next week or the next day or 2 days, however. Just subscribe, like, comment if you enjoyed the video. And tell a friend to subscribe, like, comment. And please, please, please watch the videos. If you to this part, I appreciate it, man. I swear to God, I appreciate it.